With your leave, let me read what section 188 subsection 3 says. And I read. Within 14 days of the presentation of the notice to the Speaker of the House of Assembly, whether or not any statement was made by the holder of the office in reply to the application contained in the notice, the House of Assembly shall resolve by motion without any debate whether or not the allegation shall be investigated. Distinguished colleagues, pursuant to this section of the Constitution, I seek your leave to immediately put this to vote on that note. Members who are in support that the notice of allegations of gross misconduct against His Excellency Sir Simon Ekubara, GSSRS, Governor of State, be investigated should indicate by raising their hands. Please do the count. Against, abstention, distinguished colleagues, the clerk has ensured that the votes counted. Those in favor that the investigation should proceed are 25 in number. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. Distinguished colleagues, by this voting, the Rivers State House of Assembly has resolved that investigations against allegations of gross misconduct leveled against His Excellency Sir Simon Ekubara, Governor of Rivers State, should proceed to the next level, which is investigation, and by virtue of section 188, subsection 5, I will ensure that the resolution of this House is immediately communicated to the Chief Judge of Rivers State.